Hello to everyone. This is Joanna, and today I went back to White Barn. I had to go out to my job for the testing for the pandemic, for lack of a better word. And I had gotten out of it before. I didn't really tell my coworkers, but they knew I was fibbing when they asked if I had been tested. And then I saw someone at work, a resident, get tested. And the nurse that did it was one of the agency workers, and I did not like what I saw at all. So that really messed with my head. So suffice it to say, it still wasn't bad as I thought it was. But guys, you know I got to be dramatic. It was awful. But I had made jokes to our boss, our nurse manager, that if I lived through it, I was going to go shopping. I think I said something to the effect of, if I live through this, I'm going to buy something. And buy something I did. So because she knew I was going out there, this bag right here is for her. And I got her some pocket bags is what she wanted. But guys, we didn't have any good selections. And I did tell her that yesterday we didn't have any good ones, and I wasn't really looking for them. The ones that I got offline, which I shared with you all on here, which was the vanilla cone, or no, it's not vanilla cone. What is it? Sugar cone. I definitely want more of those. They do still have the limit, and that's what I was worried about. One of the nurses at work gave me some money to go out there for them, and they wanted pocket bags, but I was really sort of thinking that they didn't, and they didn't. Like, they had gingham, which is nice. They had the fresh lavender, which I usually like. There were champagne toast and black cherry merlot and stress relief. I've never really liked the stress relief one, but I love the candle. But those were the only choices. That was like all the pocket bags they had. And even though they weren't the worst, that was god awful for the choices that they had. Because y'all know Atlantic has a pocket bag. The men's Graphite has a pocket bag. These new ones, they claimed that the new ones were in the store on Friday. So like I said, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I got out there Monday. They sold out of those. Really, I think they just want to push those out of the way. Because hints that they had the newer ones, they had a dragon fruit sitting out and a dazzling diamond sitting out. And dazzling diamond is ones that's been around for years. I really do like that one, as well as sparkling sapphire. Even the men at my jobs have wanted to know what it was that I was putting on my hands if they were near, and they liked it as well. So I'm not going to open up her bag, but I'm going to share with you what I got. But I will say, I think she favors peach and some of the vanilla. Some of the fruitier scents, I have plenty of pocket bags, so I'm going to share some of mine. I did not go ahead and get her, because she gave me enough to get her 10. And since the choices were so poor, I did let her know that the choices were awful. I'll hook her up when I get mine. I will be sure to do that, because these new ones are going to come out after the sale. They might even put some more new ones out on Saturday, but because the buses don't run like they're supposed to, I can't get out there. So, and sorry about, y'all know that I do my videos tabletop, but I've noticed here lately, I don't know if it's because I'm using the back of my camera, but more of this area. Used to be you could see some of my face if I lean back, and now you can't. So I went to Great American Cookie. I don't have those cookies because they got eaten. I do have some remnants of my Chick-fil-A. I think I have some chicken nuggets left. And I do believe yesterday I forgot to share with you this soap that I got yesterday, which was sparkling raspberry, candied petals, and crystallized sugar. At least I don't think I shared it, but I have it in the picture. So I'm going to share with you what I got today. I went to Sephora pennies, and then of course I went back to Bath and Body Works. So I'm going to share with you what I got there first. Get my little chicken out of this bag. I don't know how many of these little nuggets I have left, and I had to get another mask from work. But I don't know how many of these little nuggets I had left. I think I got their 12-piece with the sauce. And apparently, guys, I ate 11 of them. That's all I got left in there. I didn't even realize that. I didn't open up the sauce. And I didn't even eat the salt. Yeah. So I just got that one left. But I'm going to share with you what I got from Bath & Body Works first. And I also want to say, all the things that I could not get in store, I managed to get offline today. I had 5 rewards. I went ahead and used those rewards because I was worried what was in my basket was going to be sold out while it was playing and doing that little thing where it sticks. Because I managed to get my hands on another astronaut, because the other one sold out while I was trying to order it. I managed to get one of the hand soaps I wanted and the rest of the aromatherapy lotion. So today, Guys, they had more of these, which they had less of them than they did yesterday, but I had to get a third one. I had to because I love these. And like I said, I'm liable to accidentally give one away. Because usually if someone likes something that I've got, I'm a giving person. I give it to them, especially when it's new and I haven't touched it. So I got a third one of these. Now, because I went today, I probably won't go back anymore until my payday. Now, what I managed to score today that I also missed out online was this right here. This little thing is gorgeous in person. Another thing that was gorgeous in person, if you have any little teens, young teens and tweens that love those palms, the pink one online, that photo does not do that thing justice. Even that thing attracted my eye today. I saw it in store. It was like the neonest, hot, peachy pink. It was like this shade right here on my shirt, but more of that punch. It was neon-y and glowy and glittery all at the same time. And I think it caught another lady's eye when I was holding it up looking for it. I almost got that thing, but I'm out in the rain. I'm out in the weather. I shoved my purse in my locker. But if you have little young tweens and teens that love palms, get it. Don't even pay attention to it online. If you can see it in the store, it looks so much better in person. But guys, they had some of these, and I found this my second trip, so I don't know if they had more. They're $5.95. But here's the kicker. I wanted to buy all of them. Y'all remember how I went crazy over that Love one? I wanted to buy all of these. But instead, I managed to buy 3. Okay? So I'm going to go back. If there's more of those, I'm going to get them. And I put my newest pocket bag that I got online in here. And I love this. I haven't put these on my purse in a long time because my purses get shoved in my locker at this job. A lot, but isn't this just gorgeous? This is so much prettier in person, and it's just the cutest thing. What I want to do though is take one of my clear pocket bags and put it in here, and then one of my lavender and my mint green ones. So I don't know, but I'm so happy to have 3 of these. If I get a couple more, then I might make one a gift, but we know how stingy I am. So the last and final thing I wanted to go back to Bath and Body Works for is Mrs. Kimball had showed this candle early on in her haul, and she said it smelled good and to get it. And I wasn't even looking at these, but I wanted to make sure that if our store had it, I went back and I smelled it. And this is the Toasted Coconut S'mores. Now, y'all know they had that Toasted Graham candle that ended up being great. I still have one, and I'm going to have to light it because, as y'all know, I dated my crates. I'm going to have to find it. It'll probably be the first one that I burn in the fall. So this right here, when I smelled it, I liked it. I love the linen one, and the lime one was okay, but this one kind of caught me, and I missed getting this yesterday. So if I can, I will purchase 2 more of these, but it's no biggie. That pink lilac vanilla one, or whatever it's called, that I liked is gone today. It was gone. They had several of them when I was there yesterday, but I bet somebody came through and bought them all. If I wouldn't have had all the candles I had, I wouldn't mind having 2 or 3 of those and 2 or 3 of this. And the notes on this is gooey marshmallow, toasted coconut, milk chocolate, golden graham crackers. And I like this just on cold sniff. And I want to take her recommendation and get more, because some of these candles just smells like it would just glow warmth and homey, comfy fragrance is what it does to me. So I really do like that. So we're going to put that in this bag right here. The next things I'm going to share with you is what I got from Sephora. So this purchase right here is directly from the Sephora store. So I was able to get my hands on, and I want to open this up on camera because sometimes I'm a little bit leery about my palettes and everything. And it's always best to open those up on camera because of the way that they're doing when you want to take something back. So they gave me a sample of the Black Tea Age Delay Eye Concentrate. And I'm really partial to the Re-Energy by Lancome. That stuff really does work, but I'm going to definitely try this. And the first thing I got was the Artist Couture palette. I didn't open this up at all because, like I said, with the way that things are going online and everything, and just in store, with it being hard to return something, if it's damaged and I open it up on camera, they can see that it wasn't open until then. But if it is beforehand, you know, they don't know. But this thing is gorgeous in person. It don't matter how many nude or neutral palettes I got. This is gorgeous. Now, I do want some lip glosses from this brand. And I also would like some lip glosses from the Pat McGrath brand. That one that's Flush 4, I think. They have a little mini set. I don't know if it's a trio. I think it might be a trio online, but it's not in the store. Or I might just give in and buy the Flush 4 in case I don't like the other two. But this right here is gorgeous. So I had wanted this. The only other palettes that I really, really want is the Metropolis palette. The other half of my, is it Murette palette, and the Acid Wash palette. So I do want those. And then the only other thing I got from here, because you know, y'all know that people make jokes about these Sephora bags. These little tiny bags can contain $200-300 worth of product. It ain't no joke, because when you take a couple of palettes and some skincare and maybe a gloss or a lip product, that's usually what we get as women. We might have a mascara in there. That's some serious cash on just a few pieces. So this right here is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. Now, I wanted this in the small size or the large. It didn't matter, but I was going to prefer to get it in the small because sometimes I don't like a lot of the cleansers that I think I'll like. Like I got that clear Clinique moisturizer, and I'm so happy I got a sample, guys, because that stuff feels sticky to me. So I'm not out of a ton of money if I bought a full size. But this right here, it almost looks like a gel oil, and it doesn't really have a blueberry scent to me. Now, I don't know if when I lather it up, no one really ever said that it did have a blueberry scent. It could be blueberry extract. It could be, you know, the derivatives, the enzymes, who knows. But I am very happy to have this. And I will probably, maybe try this out tonight because I've been using a Boschka cleanser. A little sample. I've been trying to go through my sample. So a little bit of reading on this. It says the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser is formulated with blueberry hyaluronic acid, AHA, and gentle suds to remove makeup and dead skin cells without a stripped or tight feel. And you just put a pump into wet palms and rub hands to create your lather. Massage into the skin and rinse and follow with your usual skincare regimen. Now, I am someone who loves the multi-cleansing methods. If I have on a full face of makeup, the wipe, your face wash, you go in with another face wash, and then your toner. I'm a fan of that. So the next, let me see what I got from the Sephora at Penny's was, again, I was looking for the Fenty Mist, and they only had the small size. And again, either one of these products I wanted in small size before full size. But I've heard good things about this mist, so I'm definitely going to go ahead and rebuy or buy again the big one, because I have heard good things about this. Now, it is more milky looking in purpose. It is more milky looking in person. I tell you, I'm tired. I have been out all day. Or that test did something to my brain. But it's more milky looking in person. So it says, baby, what it do? So let me spray some of this just to see what it smells like. People are loving the sprayer on the big one. Okay, that is a nice mist, even on the little one. And it just has a fresh scent. It has a fresh scent that you smell while I smell it while I'm spraying it. But it's nothing that I can smell, you know, after, like that Huda makeup mist that I sprayed. I was so sorry I sprayed that. I like the smell of Terraflower, but that was too much. So this is really, really nice. And since this is all that I wanted in there and it was all that I was getting, I got another item, but this right here says it preps the skin, refreshes makeup, instant hydration, fix on the fly. So from this brand, I do still want their lip gloss and lip scrub duo, a couple of the lipsticks and the eyeliners in the green, the navy blue, and the dark brown, because I favor dark brown eyeliner like the color of the Urban Decay Demolition. So the last thing I got was a brow pencil, and I wasn't really crazy about the first one, but it was because I was getting used to using it, because I do tend to favor certain brow pencils. I think the first one that I had was soft black. So this one here, I believe I got in the shade Black brown. Because I'm thinking the first one that I got was soft black. Yeah, so I got this in black brown. And then this right here is what's on the back of this mist. You can see that. And then this right here. Had to make sure, because the back of my camera works way better than the front. I don't know. So I went ahead and got this one because I did want another one. And hopefully you can see. That's what it looks like. Let me see. I don't know how y'all do this. But that's what it looks like. I don't know what I need to do to make this thing focus. Hopefully you can see that okay. But that is, I believe, everything that I got. And the end of my little video and my little shopping spree for the week, because I'm not allowed to buy anything else. This was what I was allowed to buy if it came about. So unless I'm buying a vacuum cleaner, I ain't getting nothing else. Because that's the next thing I need to go get. But guys, I love this. I think I'm going to put this on one of my cute little purses. Like one of my little black purses or one of my little tan purses. Or just, I clip these sometimes on my uniforms. Let me see. I don't know. I ain't trying to flash you here. I don't know if it, because a lot of times when I have on a jacket at work, I will clip these to my jacket whenever I'm at work. And I like them because it gives me access to my stuff. But since we now have to wear gowns and masks and things like that. So that was it, guys. Until the next time, everyone have a great day. And I want all of you to be safe.